and welcome to my new video which is based on the non-homogeneous linear differential equation of second order. Now what is given to you is the term of FD, differential operator, equals to something. It may be the constant or exponential factor or logarithm or trigonometric or anything else, okay, but not equals to 0. So how can you find out the complete solution for that? For getting complete solution for non-homogeneous differential equation, you have to keep in mind 2 points. Firstly, the way which we have done in our homogeneous differential equation, that is the complete solution, plus you have to add into it the particular integral. The method to find out the particular integral varies from question to question, depends on the point which is given to our RHS. In our RHS, so here first case is when you have given the exponential term in RHS. How can you find out it? Then you have to take in denominator that FD, that auxiliary equation, and just substitute the coefficient of x in terms of power of exponential in place of d, and you will get your answer, your particular integral. Let's see how it works. This is your auxiliary equation and it will like this. We have done it so many times. So this is your form of non-homogeneous linear differential equation in which your auxiliary equation will become 4d square plus 4d minus 3 equals 0. Now solve it. 4 3s are 12 and 12. 6 2s are 4. So you can take 2d as common, and what will be left with? 2d plus 3, and if you take minus 1 as common, 2d plus 3. So firstly 2d plus 3 is common and another one is for 2d minus 1. Okay, this will become d as minus 3 by 2 and this will be plus 1 by 2. Okay, so there are your two roots for this particular auxiliary equation. Now as you done in homogeneous equation, you have to take the same form, similar form. Your complementary factor will be what? C1 e raised to power n1x plus C2 e raised to power n2x for real and distant roots. This is your complementary factor firstly. Now move towards the particular integral. For particular integral, you have to do this form, 1 upon FD. Your FD is 4d square plus 4d minus 3 into your right hand side, which is your e raised to power 2x. Now what you have to do, simply you have to substitute the coefficient of x in powers of exponential into the form of d, which is 2 here. 4 2 square plus 4 2 minus 3 e raised to power 2x. What will you get then? E raised to power 2x by 2 to the 4, 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8 minus 3. That means 24 minus 3, 21. So your complete solution will be the complementary factor plus particular integral, which will be like this. This is your complementary factor, this is your particular integral, and here we go, we have the complete solution. So in this way we can find out the solution for the non-homogeneous linear differential equation having exponentials in right hand side. For rest of the cases, we'll discuss in our next class. Till then, just wait and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.